Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. I am in love with my crossbody bag from Montana West. The stonewash look really makes this Montana West bag my go-to everyday bag. I love to add this beautiful yellow as a sundrop of color with any of my outfits. The crossbody bag is the perfect option for me for a day of shopping or an evening out with friends. And I love to wear it with jeans and a flowy top. It's a great travel bag too because it literally matches everything. I really love the huge variety of colors Montana West has for this amazing style. I honestly use this bag for many outfits, and my favorite feature is the many pockets and the convenient compartments of this bag. I love it. So do yourself a favor and add a splash of color to your wardrobe with this Montana West crossbody bag. I love it, I highly recommend it, but that's just my point of view.